Wow, that looks so good. Okay, glue. No ball cap. I always like to put a ball cap. That way I can use a lot of glue, because I'm able to put glue like actually on my hairline. But since I will not be doing a ball cap, I can only add glue like literally right in front of my hairline. And some glue still may touch my edges, but I'm not worried about it. Because baby, I keep it G-H-E-T-T-O. I'm like, your edges, what about your edges? What about them? What about them? They're here now, they will be there later. Because if you have a big head, this wig will be perfect for you. I have lots of space over here around my ears. Look at all that extra lace I cut. So I'm showing you how you can install your lace, but I do not recommend installing your lace like this. This is the lazy way. This is some lace tint. It's by TaylorMade. Not sure if she still sells it or not, but mine is so old. I'm just going to put that across my hairline before I glue it down. Alright, so I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive. I feel like I need to go ahead and put this on my head too. Not tight, but that way I can keep my flyaways back. I don't let it turn clear because it be dry by the end. So I like to lay it down. Ooh, no sticky parts. So that means I did good. I added glue everywhere there was lace. Yes. I hate when I have glue outside of my lace. Alright, so once that is completely dry, I'll go ahead and bring down my melt band. I pulled out my curlers back. I won't be needing them. Okay. I think this front, like the curls are nice, but I feel like I need layers. Y'all, I didn't even choose the baby hair. The baby hair chose me. So we're going to listen. Baby hair it is. Because y'all see it, it look good. But it's missing a little something. Okay, the side tabs, I do need to pluck a little bit. I don't need to pluck the top. That is perfect. But I like my little side tabs to be a little thinner. Real cute. I think I want a little middle too. I know it's like without baby hair, it was giving grown woman. With baby hair, like it's just giving so adorable. It's giving soft, like just a soft life. Okay, so edges all done. I love it. Oh, something about baby hair. Now I feel like I want to add some layers. I need some layers. We'll just do a little bit, starting off right here at my mouth, coming down. Okay, maybe my nose coming down. I need a reference so I know how to cut the other side. Okay. A little bit more nose, cut a little deeper. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to add some holding spray here. Push that back. Holding spray. Bring forward. Ooh, spray again. So it can stay. Right where is it? Like that. Spray. This is my favorite. Oh my God, it's $20 a can, but I'll spend that again, and again, and again, because it make my hair look so good. Yeah, this is the look. Ooh. Baby, hear me when I say I look good. Ooh, I look so good. My hair is I love this hair. It's soft. You see the curls are here to stay. I ran my fingers through it 50 million times. And the curls still here. Still look good. Still look the same from when I took it out of the package. It looks so good. Thank you. Look at the hairline. Look at the stinking hairline. Yeah. The hairline looks so good. Look at the lace. Look at my part. Look at the hair. Like, ooh. This wig is here to stay forever. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me stop because I gotta hurry up. All right, you guys. So that's all for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And also click the link down below so that you can go and purchase yours because it is everything and more. I love you guys and I'll see you next time.